What's your favorite thing about this tradition that we do every year?
I love the cooked stuff. I like the cookies, the apples, the butterflies, the skeletons. Ooh, zombie.
And
That's not a zombie, that's a skeleton.
is it hard to not eat all the food when you walk past it and you see all the chocolate and everything?
Where's the chocolate? Is this the chocolate?
Yes, that's chocolate.
Corn. It looks like candy.
It is candy.
Is that the beer you took?
Daddy did take a beer off the altar. He wasn't supposed to.
Yeah.
Why, Dad? Why?
Because that's what I used to do when I was a kid.
And you haven't grown up yet.
Yeah. One of my favorite memories is the altar, because my mom will set it up a whole thing. All the kids will sneak out in the back. She will put a bunch of banana, a bunch of apples, and usually she never buys stuff like that. No, we come from the tropical, so there's no apples, no about stuff. And through the week of Dia de Muertos, me and my brothers would just go in the back and just pull one, one my brother, one me, and just every day we'll just pull a little bit of everything. By the day, it was almost all gone. So that's one of the memories I have of me and my brothers and my mom. And it's to pray for all our dead people and remind them how grateful we are of when we used to have them. And of course, the tradition will keep going with these guys if in case we'll get onto it.
We hope that they're going to do it when they grow up. We hope. You going to do this when you get big in your house?
Yeah, I'm gonna put fruit, cookies.
I never did this tradition growing up. I grew up in upstate New York. It wasn't part of our tradition. When we first got together, I had a lot of traditions that I just took for granted, like Christmas, and we're going to do this, and we do this, and we do this. I kept trying to say, well, what did you do on this day? And what did you do on this day? And then one day he said, my favorite memory was around Dia de Muertos Day and also New Year's Eve. From that point on, sometime early in our marriage, his brother died and my best friend died a year apart. And so the year that my best friend died, we started to do this, and it's grown. More people have died in that time. The first one we did, it was just his brother and Mimi and my grandma and my grandpa, and that was everybody that was on it. The following year, we had a lot of people die. I had my cousin Josh die, and my grandmother on the other side, and my Aunt Barbara. And then the following year, my friend Shahid and Shogun passed away. And then we found pictures of some older relatives that we didn't have, my great-grandmother and my great-grandfather and my Uncle Bobby, and we got all of them on here. Just this past year, actually the day before Halloween, his grandpa died. Will only be the second time that his grandpa is on the altar, and we try to remember something special for each one.
You have to choose something from them they like. So here's the tamales from my brother and my grandpa, and chiles, of course, popcorn, sweet stuff. We have beer, chocolate, pancakes, apples, cookies, and well, my best part of the one is the pop.
We have a gin and tonic for my grandma here. We have beer for his brother, and my cousin Josh is known for having a warm Sam Adams in the back of his cart. We have organic salted caramel chocolate for Mimi, and we try to have a little memory of something for everybody. My great-grandmother and great-grandfather, I don't remember what they like, so we are including them, and we hope that they'll enjoy some of the sweet stuff that we have.
And what we get told when we're kids is that all the people that in this day will come and taste everything we leave, so you're not allowed to touch it. But we used to touch it anyways. The tradition is the Dia de Muertos, this is the people that die, they will come and taste everything that we left for them. We still believe they're coming, they're still alive, they're still with us, and that is our belief. And this is what we create and celebrate. It's the Day of the Dead, and to memorize the people that we love so much, and spend one day for them. Trying to pass on my kids and our community and keep going with it.
Thanks for watching our holiday tradition, and we believe as long as that we remember them and we hold them in their hearts, they're still alive. And so we are taking this day to remember and love all of these people. Thank you for sharing in this very special tradition with me and my